Hi guys, Nick from HiFi Collective here. Just quickly going to show you how to install the Elekit DAC. This is the TU-8200R into the TU-8200. So this DAC fits into two of their products. You can see here that there's the space for it to fit there. So very straightforward. With adding this to the 8200, you have to use a short lead there, 3.5mm jack to jack. That's how you connect the DAC to that. This is fed by a mini B USB lead, so you can have it from your computer USB 2 to USB mini B connector there. So it gets all its power from that connection. We've already played around with this, it's a really good sound. So first thing first, take the valves out. Let's do that. Rotating at the base. Smaller valves, slight rotation, pull. Get underneath. Loosen up the ones up front. Don't need to take these off because the front panel just slides off. Like that. And then you've got 4 screws on the base. You have to take them completely out. Then you've got 2 at the back. You do need a couple of screws for this. They're M3s. You've probably got some lying around in your toolbox. And this slides off. Have I undone them all? Oops, forgot the one at the top. Lift it up, slides off there. So there's the board, there's the back. Put one in, not totally tight. Put the other one in. So there's the 3.5mm jacks. You have to connect them up with the wire. Cool, that's done. Together again. How's it go again? Well, that's on the outside. Slides on. Make sure you've got no wires. All the screws up. Don't know what that one is. It's a bit loose, whatever it is. I've had my hair cut today. Probably tell. And then this will slide on. When you slide it on, get the washers on. Yeah. Just angle it that way a bit. The one I just screwed up is the one that should have been loose. Right, now we tighten this up. We're gonna see if she works. Better put the valves in though, eh? This way. Okay, so now we've set the HiFi up with these speakers here. 3.5mm jack lead, DAC output to 3.5mm jack input. So this is USB 2 going to the Mac. Back of. This is your mini B USB into the DAC. And then we've got to change the source. Give it a minute. Let's put another tune on. Done, so easy. Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.